Alrighty, here's that old cemetery. You can see the wall right here, little there. Old fence post right there. Here's somebody, they redid the stone, I guess, sometime or other. Here's the other post there. I assume that's the other post because the wall's right there. Here's a little one. I want to say if I clear up, there's another small one, I think right there. This one is from September 12th, 1857, died January, it looks like 8th, 1858. Anyway, that's it. Robert Saunders. It says Saunders. And I'm assuming this is children here. There was another one over here. Anyway, that's it. So, here you go, 1857. That one's old. It's been here quite a while. All right, let me get out of here.